Welcome to the Gateway Conference Center, where the spirit of participatory democracy came alive on October 3rd and 4th, 2024, organized by the Alliance of Christian Churches in Namibia, under the theme Enhancing Participatory Democracy. This event brought together diverse political parties, independent presidential candidates, and voters, fostering meaningful dialogue and understanding. Participants shared powerful testimonials, emphasizing how the discussions empowered them to make informed decisions in the upcoming elections. Central to this event were prayers and scripture readings, providing a foundation for moral upbringing and guiding participants towards faith-driven decision-making. The highlight of the day was a well-crafted sermon on vision and strategic leadership in politics, inspiring and motivating politicians in their discourse. All political parties expressed a commitment on ongoing engagement, strengthening civic participation for a more vibrant democracy. Together, we are building a future where every voice matters. Thank you for being part of this transformative event organized by the Alliance of Christian Churches in Namibia. Stay engaged, stay informed.
A very important event, especially for political parties to mingle with the churches, to hear what the churches are expecting from us and what we are expecting from the churches' political parties, especially when one to become a government waiting. It's good to share your opinions and ideas at these platforms, and for church to be also the upliftment of morals in our society, the spiritual lives of our society. We believe that the political parties need to be accountable to churches as also part and parcel of our communities. And just to say, how are we going to lead a country that is respecting moral values, a country that is a God-fearing country? And we believe that this engagement will continue and we will be part of it. It was really impactful.
Thank you for the opportunity. I think this event gave us the opportunity to really promote the UPN and also at the same time meet some other parties that we never knew existed. And we really appreciate the Alliance of Christian Churches for hosting us and giving us the opportunity to promote ourselves. Thank you.
With regards to attending this meeting and listening to the different political parties and political leaders, what they intend to provide to the nation. Yes, I've listened to the different fields that they want to address, like education, like land issues, mining, water, agriculture. But for me, at the end of the day, I miss something. I miss something in that. How will they intend to incorporate the church? The church as the body, and the body is the people, but the church is a voice at the end of the day. And that is not very clear, even though we are doctors, but with regards to what the role of the church within the political parties, I believe that is what we also need to know.